till few years back we did not have any treatment for baldness, and we are lucky enough to have permanent and reliable solution for your baldness. In RsB Wellness, we have got BioFUE Swiss technology hair transplant surgery method for your baldness problem. In this, what we do is we take grafts or hair from the backside or the side of the skull, which are strong areas. Normally, the hair from this area don't fall and they grow lifelong. So what we do is we take hair grafts from this area and we implant in the front or the weak zone, like the frontal area, the mid skull, or the crown or the vertex area. Now these are very safe surgery. They are done under local anesthesia. Person can come in morning and he can go home the same day and resume his work or office the very next day. These are very safe, reliable, permanent solution for your baldness, and they come at very cost-effective price. You can approach RsB Wellness for your baldness problem, and we have got very good solution for that. Thank you.